what Lord Chaitanya is doing right now at this time, Madhyan Kal. There's a nice prayer that's given to us by Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur. Madhyane sahate saparshara gane sankirtan yad idrisham sadvetendu gadadhar kilasaha Srilavaduta Prabhu. It says, Arame mridu amarutesh shishiritar bringadvijar nadite swam brindavipinam smaran brahmatiyas tam gora madhyayaham. He says, translation, Lord Gaurachandra continues to enjoy the performance of his morning pastimes of intensely enthusiastic chanting and dancing, surrounded by his own dear devotees, like Advaita Acharya, Gadadhar Pandit, Avadut Nityananda, and then afterwards they wander through the gardens and groves on the bank of the Ganges, where they enjoy sweet cooling breezes blowing over the river. Hearing the pleasant sounds of the birds and bees in those gardens, the Lord remembers his ecstatic pastimes as Radha and Krishna, which are occurring simultaneously in his own forest of Vrindavan. I meditate thus on the daily pastimes of Lord Gauranga.